This started as a $40 piece of walnut. Now it's a live edge end table. I built it with 3 tools in an afternoon. I used to think furniture like this took a shop full of tools, years of experience, and a whole week or more. Turns out it really doesn't. I can already hear you. Yeah, but you already have a full shop. No, I build everything out of this 8x12 shed. Well, if I had all day, I work a 9 to 5 and I built this after work. But walnut, it's expensive. This entire 8-foot walnut board cost me about $40. So let's get into it. So one thing that surprised me when I started buying hardwood is that the perfect board usually isn't the best buy. This board was far from perfect. Both ends had cracks. That's why I was able to get it for $40. Most people would have walked right past it. In fact, I myself had seen it sitting there in the lumberyard for 3 or 4 weeks before I even finally bought it. Board has become so far 2 projects from one board, and there's still more than half of it left. That's one of my favorite things about buying hardwood. You're usually buying material that will build more than one project. So one thing that I completely had backwards was thinking that I needed better tools or more of them before I could build furniture. Turns out the tool matters a whole lot less than knowing what you're asking it to do. The jigsaw has one job: make clean cuts. The tape measure, the pencil, had already figured out where that cut belongs, and now all I had to do with the jigsaw is follow the line. And finally, here's the top. Honestly, a couple of years ago, this probably is where I would have stopped. Put some finish on it, call it a serving board, or maybe a cutting board. Put it on the website. Hell, I still have a few of these on there right now. But we promised furniture. The base is actually pretty simple. A few carefully shaped pieces of walnut glued together to the top and bottom. But this is worth slowing down for. Make sure everything stays square. Make sure everything lines up. The little things make the difference. They don't make the table harder to build, they just make it feel lighter. This is the part I wait for in every single build. That first wipe of finish. Because this is when the walnut finally shows out. Ah, there it is. $40 of walnut, 3 simple tools. One afternoon, built after work in this 8x12 shed with that $40 board that's already become 2 projects and still got more than half of it left for the next one. You know what I think this really is? This is woodworking for beginners, disguised as furniture. I spent a long time thinking furniture was something you built after you had the bigger shop, after you had all the tools, and after you finally had enough free time. It turns out I already had enough to get started, and maybe you do too. Now, get in the shop and be a maker.